Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to delete a video on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom. Then you can see here your video and photo. So choose the video you want and tap on it. Now searching for three dogs or the icon share at the bottom and tap on it. Just you have to know that you can download your video before you delete it. Now pull from here and you can see here the option of delete. Simply tap on it and you have to know that this post is taking a little longer to process. Once it's complete, you can restore the post within 30 days from recently deleted in Activity Center. It will be permanently deleted after that. Anyway, confirm the action by tap in delete. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See you.